Good. Stab it. Gotta get your distance. I'm too close. Aim, son. Stab. All right. That's it. You saw what happened? Yeah. Saw that room that you just had? You could have kicked from there. Do that again. From there. That's gonna give you room. You make that space deep as soon as he come back. No, don't reach. As soon as you teep, he gonna move back. Then you move. When he move close, then you do it. All right. So visualize. Right now. Now you come forward. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Don't reach for it. Let him come back. Good. Good. Back up if you need to. Give yourself a little room. That's good. That's it right there. What you doing? There we go. Take it. There you go. Good. Come on. Work. Hey, that's a good block. Very good. Good. There we go. Just saw y'all. Good. Hold now. Yeah, make sure you keep that hand down. Good. Good style. Good movement. There you go. I like that uppercut too. That's nice. But you have to step into it. Yeah. There you go. You ain't got to cock your back. That's it. Good. Good balance. Up. Stab him with that jab. Shot good. Up. Good. Very nice, Brady. Hand. Shot good. Good. Back to work over the king. Nice. Beautiful. Accident. Nice. Good. Now let's breathe. Good. 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 Get side. about distance though. I'm just not gonna give it to you. I'm just not gonna give it to you. You gotta use your footwork. You sit alone. No punches. Punches. Balance. Come and get it. Close the distance. Good. Keep the feet under you. Good. Feet under you. Backing up with the jab. Down. Good line. Good. No. Aim. Good. Hit the middle of it. Hit the middle of it. If that goes, go to the body. Willing shot. There you go. Go. Again. There we go. Double it. Okay, box it backwards sometimes. Ooh, that now it's man. You want to switch. You want to do it, make it right.
Worried about the wrong thing.
Balance. Good. Oh. Good. Come on. Yeah, be back up. Yeah, you gotta shuffle fast, bro. I'm not just gonna pop, and then you're gonna let them walk into it. Come on. Hit that, right? Body. You think I'm gonna stand right here? No, I'm gonna back up. Then you gotta cover that distance fast, or you wasted that whole thing. Cover it fast, or you wasted that whole little shimoing going. You wasted it. There you go, that's it. Balance though. Get that leg meet. Backing up. Now let's hands. Go. Come on. Backing up. Now cover that space. There you go. Good. Cover that space. Let him run into it. That's good. Oof. Good. Counter pull. Scared man. Come on. Good. There we go. You know what I mean? Come on, that's fine. Good. There we go. Good. Bring back if you need to. Give yourself room. Close, get the body. There you go. Get the body. Repeat the yeah, rip it. Boom. Lead with it. Yeah. There you go. Lead with that look too sometimes. Yeah, good. Use your eyes. Focus on the spot. Visualize. There you go. Visualize. See it, Tito. Good. Come on, get it. Good. Body. There you go. Let him run into it. Bump. Don't back up. See, yeah, he think you're going to back up, then rip it. But you're going to go with it. Yeah. Speed to get his arms up. Get his arms up. Speed. There you go. Balance again. Yeah, there you go. Come on. Good. Step into it. Your legs didn't move. Stand right here on. Step. Keep your feet under me. Good. Now back up with it. Sit down. Yeah, stand up. Yeah, good. Balance. Give me forward. Out. Ted Kyle, boy.